Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed 1 coming to you again at the racetrack. I have another update for you. Do y'all remember me in my past video where I showed you my marshalling stands and a white kit that I got in that I bought off of eBay? And it was a slotted Chaparral 2E. Well, anyway, this might get a little bit of fun because, you know, I like, I guess what could be said as a purist livery, you know, an authentic, the car actually ran, you know, the livery is realistic and what have you. And, but I went another direction. Now, this is going to be interesting. How many people chime in and have to say what they have to say about it. And I'm a little amused at what might happen. First off, I bought it. It's my car. And I can do what I want to my car. So, it goes without saying. See, that's the Chaparral, what is that, a 2F? And the white kit I had was a 2E. I really love the body style on that thing. It's real curvy, you know. It's kind of sassy looking. So here we go. And I hope this doesn't blow up. I hope this doesn't blow up my channel or people just come unhinged. But here we go, folks. I'm about to reveal the slotted 1/32 scale white kit of a Chaparral 2E. You ready? Here we go. Oh my gosh. There it is. In all of its glory and orangeness. Okay? I've got decals on there. I've got, I painted it orange. This is funny. Which is kind of amusing because the car, and I mean, I just finished this. The clear coat's still trying to dry and what have you, but it's safe enough to handle. Okay. There's the rear end, there's the front end, there's the cockpit and the engine detail and all the panels and metal grating and radiators and all that happy stuff, right? I even got a little mirror. Hopefully I won't lose that thing. So, yeah, I don't think I bumped it. So, yeah, it's a Chaparral 2E. And although I did paint the area around the cockpit the same color of trim that's on the, I guess, realistic livery of the Chaparral. It's supposed to be white. I went with orange. It's what I had available. And it sprays real good. And the gloss clear coat that I've got works real well on it, or with it. Didn't have any problems. No orange peel, none of that stuff. But that blue is what I already had in stock here at the house, and it wound up being a perfect match to the blue trim that's around the canopy. I mean, a perfect match. Once I put, now it was matte when it dried, but when I started putting on the clear coats, man, that thing blended in real well with that canopy. I couldn't be happier with it. So, now, I love this car for many reasons. This is a make-believe livery. Yes, I searched the internet. and all the real-life Chaparrals were indeed white. And this is, like I said, a fantasy livery where, it might be my car. What would prevent me from buying a Chaparral and painting it up and numbering it how I wanted it? So there you go. So let's take it for a spin, and I want you to notice how quiet this car is. Whoop, I hit the gap. I didn't take off fast enough because I'm trying to there we go. So I don't want to get too rough where I'm beating it up on the track and hitting things. Listen how quiet that car is. I have to say, this is the quietest slotted in my inventory. And I've built several white kits from slotted, and this one by far is the absolutely quietest one I have. It runs like a greased pig. So I can't wait for the comments to start coming in. It's gonna be interesting. It's going to be interesting. I think it looks pretty. And although the white is nice, it is pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. I have to say, that puppy shows up on the track like somebody had just struck their thumb with a hammer against that black track. That thing shows up beautifully. So, I guess I'll close it down from now and see what kind of comments get produced from this. Now, for you purists out there, I have bought the body kit of slotted Chaparral 2E. So I'll have two bodies for this one chassis, and I can bolt one up or take the other one off and put the other one on, or however I want to do it. Still haven't gotten in my wheel inserts yet. They're supposed to be in the mail. I painted the front rims with that chrome paint, and it escapes me what the name of that paint was, but it's real good paint. And so when those come in, I'll glue those in, paint the rims, or paint the wheel inserts, and the car will be complete. But for right now, it's just going to be shown and displayed, because like I said, it takes quite a while for those clear coats to really harden up and to where you can handle the car without doing any damage, or, like putting thumbprints all over them or whatever. So that's all I got for you today. I finished up my Chaparral slotted 2E race car in a make-believe livery. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.